Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to Temecula Real Estate Market Update, January 2026. Can you believe that we're already halfway over this month of January? We just say Happy New Year, and here we are now. My mother and my grandmother always used to say, the older you get, time flies. Now, let's talk about Temecula Real Estate. Why this market update matters? I think real estate decisions should be based on data, not headlines or emotional. In this market, understanding the numbers isn't just helpful, it's essential for you to make informed choices that align with your financial goals. Look at the snapshot. Do you remember in December we talked about the market? The prices were about 700 and something thousand. Look at now, it's always $1 million median list price. With 194 active listings, 84 median days on market, and 124 average days on market, with the index action 41, which is indicating the sellers have the advantage. And look at the price per square foot. $408. So what is this telling us? Homes are selling, but not fast enough. Inventory and competition. Look at this. What is this for buyers? You are experiencing less competition than during the 2023 to 2024. But well priced, moving ready homes still attract multiple offers. Sellers, scarcity still continues to support strong prices, but you have to position yourself correctly with the correct price. Pricing trends and market stability. Look at that. Some of the sellers are decreasing the price. They're reducing prices. Increase is only 1%. Relisting homes, 7%. Days on the market equals negotiation power. For buyers, the longer the house is in the market, you might have more opportunity to request home inspections that shows everything what they need to fix. You can negotiate repairs based on what you find. Take time to review disclosures very carefully. And then, if I were you, I would consider homes that have been in the market for 60 days plus. Sellers, you need to prepare. You need to price competitively from the beginning. First, you need to prepare to listen to your professional real estate agent, which is going to tell you the correct price that's going to sell your house faster. If you can, do the repairs before you list, and allow also to do professional photography and staging in some cases. Market Action Index explain. We have been talking about this for a couple months already. Below 30 is buyer's market. Between 30 to 60 is seller's market. Above 60 is a strong seller's market. Remember, right now it's 41. What does this mean for buyers? If you're thinking to buy in Temecula right now, here is the truth. You don't need to rush, but you need to create a plan. The panic buying days, that's already over. So I will suggest you a couple things. You need to have your agent help you find and target the houses that have been priced correctly. And also try to look for sellers that are open to concessions or help you with closing costs, do all the repairs. And also, you need to focus on long term, not a hype. What does this mean for sellers? Sellers, you have to price correctly from day one in your listing. You have to present the marketing the correct way because that's critical. And expect educated buyers. Right now, with the social medias, buyers go in and check, especially looks at all the pictures and make sure that that's the correct house that they want. Different price segments and different strategies. Look at this. Entry level homes are from 500 to 750,000. Mid range homes 750 to 1.2 million dollars. If you, Mr. Buyer, looking for luxury homes, it's gonna cost you from 1.2 plus. Rent versus buying here in Temecula. Monthly rents in here are between, if you see the numbers, are 3,295. So that's your typical mortgage. The difference is, look at the price of monthly rent. If you notice, 39,540 is an annual cost, and you are not building any equity. So what is the best thing to do? Why not buy, even though the mortgage is higher, but at least you're gonna build equity on your house. You may have tax benefits, fixed payment with fixed rates, and the house is gonna appreciate at the long run. Let's create your winning strategy. You need to schedule an appointment. Let's get you a free home valuation if you're selling. Start your home search if you're buying. Here is my information. Let's connect today. My name is Ruth Feast, and I'm your local realtor, and I'm very, very happy to help you.